Hi everyone, this is Christine from the Wetaskiwin Public Library, and I'm here to present our How-To eResource series. This month's featured eResource is Auto Repair Source. This resource is powered by the automotive experts at Motor, and this resource provides the most accurate, authoritative, and up-to-date service and repair information for thousands of domestic and imported vehicles. All content comes from the original equipment manufacturers and includes step-by-step repair information, diagrams, maintenance schedules, parts and labor estimates, service bulletins, and recalls. This resource has also been designed for touch-enabled devices such as laptops and tablets. This resource offers a user-friendly search experience and access to a wealth of information to help users diagnose, repair, and maintain today's complex vehicles. There are also diagrams and images that can be easily magnified and printed. So we're going to explore this app today and see how you can get there from our website. So the first place you'll want to go to is wetaskiwinpubliclibrary.ab.ca, and that will bring you to our home page. So once you're here, you can click on our e-resources, and that will give you our full listing of e-resources available. So you can either type in auto source repair here, or you can scroll down and you can go to auto repair source. So we're going to have to log in, so you'll click that, and that will bring you to the login screen. So from the login screen, you'll just want to type in your barcode number, which is the entire number that is on the back of your library card, and you won't want to put in any spaces. Once you've put in the barcode, you'll want to put in your PIN number, which will be the last 4 digits of your phone number that we have on file. And then you'll just click Submit. Once you've clicked Submit, it will actually redirect you to the top of the eResources page. And then you'll want to scroll down and find the Auto Repair Source again. And now it'll have the link directly to the website. So now, this is the full web page. It's very simple. And then it has the menu at the top here. It has search history, you can leave feedback. If you need help, you can click there, or if you want to log out, you can also do that at the top. So it looks like it's got a very easy interface to search at the top here. So you can search by year, make, model, and engine type. So it goes as far back as to 1974, and you can get information as recent as 2021 vehicles. So let's see, if we go to 1974, there's just a few that are available here. So you can just maybe choose Chrysler. We'll select New Yorker, and this is the only engine. And then it shows just a few options at the side here. So there's engine management, and it has a range of dates that you can look at. So 76 to 89, 74 to 89. You can click on this first one here. So this will tell you all the federal emission standards for the air quality standards here. We can also take a look at emission control service reminder. So there's a lot of different options that are available to read up on. And then we can also go to the maintenance schedule and see. Let's see, if I put in 10,000 kilometers and then search, there's no service. So let's put in, let's go high, let's do 7,000, search. Normal service, there's nothing. How about we try 100,000? Severe service. Well, it looks like this one doesn't have the information available in the maintenance schedule. So let's try that on a different vehicle. So let's go to something newer. Let's go to 2006. Try Toyota Corolla. So then let's try that maintenance schedule again. So let's put in I'll put in 50,000 kilometers, select that, and then normal service and search. There we are. So then at 50,000 kilometers, it will actually show you at each level what you need to have done. And you can scroll. This one has up to 64,000 kilometers. It'll tell you everything that needs to be done at that service point and at that kilometer level. So that's really handy. So we can take a look at some of these other options that are along the left-hand side here. We can look at, let's say, the brakes. So if we need to know the anti-lock brake service and the description. So this will give you a description about the anti-lock brake system. Let's take a look at something else. Hydraulic brake system. As you can see, there is a ton of information available in here. This one here, the component replacement, will actually show you, tell you step by step of how to disconnect and replace the hydraulic brake system. And then this one, this one is actually master cylinder removal. So we can click there and it has the image available for you to look at. And then you can also zoom in and look at the different parts to get a better look at what you might be dealing with if you're doing this on your own. Then there is the option to also print the image. So you can click on the little print icon and you can have it printed off. So that is very handy. This is only showing part, so I wonder if we have to zoom out just to see the whole thing. Oh, fit to page. So you'll want to select fit to page for the entire image to be printed. Yes, there we are. So that has the entire image. Unless you want to zoom into a certain component, then you can select, like let's say we zoom in just to this specific spot, then you can choose as shown, and that will just give you this area as your printed page. So that way if you need a closer look, then that is an option as well. So I definitely encourage people to just go and explore this eResource. It has a lot of information in it. You can get a lot of information on different vehicles, so we can even go to, let's say, 91 Cadillac, Eldorado. This one also only has one engine, so then we can go show us the options, so we can look at tires. This is really cool, so this will show you the different tire specifications. Let's see, wiring diagrams, so it has different wiring diagrams available. Let's see, system, body and accessories. And let's try keyless entry. This is part 1, so it has different parts. So if you can go through the different images. Let's try something that might have different engine options. So if we go to 2016 Ford F-150, then there are different engine options that you can go to as well. So what's this? 5-liter. And let's go to engine service. So there are diagrams available on here as well that you can click on. The other nice thing about this too is on some of the pages, there's this little hamburger menu that pops up over here, and you can click on that and it'll actually give you like what the short form means. So if there's an abbreviation that you don't understand, you can look that up in this little menu that pops up. So you can see that BJ is ball joints, or you can see that camp is camper, or let's see, Dex is dual exhaust. So there's a lot. This is a really handy resource for people who don't know all of the car lingo, but still want to do it themselves and still understand what this website is telling them to do. So that's really handy. But yeah, this website is very straightforward. Like I said, I definitely encourage you to take a look at it. You can take a look at any of the vehicles you maybe had in the past, or take a look at vehicles that you're maybe going to be working on in the future, or maybe considering buying, and you want to look into them. This is a very handy resource for that. So today's video is just a little bit shorter, just because it is fairly self-explanatory. Like I said, it is a very easy website to navigate, and you have free access to this resource with your library card. So be sure to check it out. And if you have any questions about this e-resource, feel free to let me know. We are going to be back next time with consumer reports. I really appreciate you popping by and watching the video, and thank you for your time.